Thank you so much, coaches. Thank you for your participation. We just completed a 2-day back-to-back workshop with Vivekananda Education Society. We did communication breakthrough preview session for 30 plus 36 odd teachers. We did this yesterday and today, and wonderful. Thank you so much. Dr. Deepa is also part of it. She was the one who organizes. Dr. Deepa, gratitude to you. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. 36 plus 36 odd teachers we had on both the days. We had communication, we had a lot of games, a lot of fun. And coaches, thank you so much for taking time, being here, coming, participating. This is something that I promised and I always give. That coaching opportunities is an opportunity for you to learn, grow, make maximum use of it. Every trainer we keep posting that come. The more you learn, the more you earn, the more you grow. So please, all of you have participated. Did you learn something? Yes. How many of you learned something? Say aye. Aye. Wonderful. I'll start one on one. First, we'll start with the host. Plus, she is also part of our TTT. She'll introduce herself, what TTT part she is, and then Dr. Deepa. Yes, please. We'll start from there.
I'm Dr. Deepa, participant of TT T 33. So I'm very happy to be a part of Superhumans program. I did my training session. I completed my presentation and waiting for the submission so that I will complete within short period of time. So in the beginning, I felt that I want to improve my communication. I was searching for different academies. Finally, I have found out Superhumans through Soshina ji. Thank you for that. Actually, day by day, this communication workshop started with 3 days course and 1 day with the magic session and another day with the final presentation. And later we have to submit the submission. I felt it's really useful for me and that developed some good qualities as a human being and developed self-discipline and work ethics. That's why I felt that the students, those who behaved in the academy, their discipline, everything inspired me. That's why I felt that that has to be used for all my teachers. So in turn, actually Sachin coach is coming this years for at the third time to support us free of cost. So just I have got the contact with him. Through him, I am supporting all my fellow teachers. In turn, we are trying to bring up a healthy society with good human beings. This is really thankful to Dr. Sachin for molding the characters of each and every individual and as a guide for the development of the nation and the world peace. Thank you, coach. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. Yes. Dr. Deepa, National Awardee, National Best Teacher Awardee 2020. Thank you so much for giving us wonderful opportunity, also for sharing the values. We'll start with Priyanka ji. Thank you so much for joining. Please tell us which TTT batch you are and tell us what are the values, the lessons and learning that you learned from your participation. You came, she was not here for 2 days, she was here for just 1 day today. Please.
My name is Priyanka. First, I would just like to add, I just accompanied with my friend to. She was actually joining the Superhumans. Then, by hearing Sachin coach, I have decided now I am going to join his workshop, 3 days workshop. And with this 3-day workshop, the first thing what I came out was like definitely hard work to karna hai man. Hard working is the main thing. He is like he was inspiration to us, fully energized, and he was like teaching in all the main aspects of a life, whether it is a knowledge, relationship, how to plan, how to get into right action. That was not done. Only 3 days. No. From even after the 3 days, daily he's improving our I am very I just need to work on my vocabs. I just need to work on my consistency. I'm lazy type of so with Sachin coach, it has been 1 month. Daily it is no. We have to get up early. He give lot of homework, so I have to complete the homework. And my family and my friends, my near and dear, they are like, yeah, Priyanka, you're getting transformed. Yeah, you're like, there's some good changes in this, and every day is new learning with Sachin sir. Today, Vivekanand School, and thank you, Deepa ma'am, for giving us this opportunity. Thank you so much. She's so wonderful. Today, when I came here, again I just thought, yes, there is the one pillar. The strong pillar is relationship. The relationship with myself, the relationship in all the things. So now, definitely, I'm going to improve that roots of my relationship. I'm going to transform into that. So there's so much, Sachin sir, like in knowledge wise, in emotion wise, in action wise, in planning wise, in relationship wise. Every teaching is the superb teaching by superb humans. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Priyanka ji. Please, Fahim ji, share the values as a coaching opportunity. This is something that we provide all our teachers, all our people who participate for a superb coaching, life coaching as TTT. Please tell us how was your participation. You were here for 2 days. Just share. Yes.
My name is Fahim, and I'm a participant of TTT 34 batch. And the TTT program is actually a gift full of bags. The more you open, the digger you deep, the more things come out. For example, I thought it's just going to be a simple communication class, but as I went under training of Dr. Sachin, more things started coming out. Like I was able to understand the real reason of being gratitude, appreciating others, the leadership skills, and the core communication pyramid that we need to follow. And apart from that, there's something more that's added to these programs. A 100 days follow up where, it's not only things get over with 3 days, but it's like, for example, super woke-ups, super pictures, wherein, English language, you work on your English language, you work on your communication, super storytelling, and super pictures, wherein, you depict your own idea about what the picture is all about. So these are some of the things that the coach is continuously working on. He's seeing the progress of his team members and inspiring. Really a bag full of opportunities for those who want to get into program. I would like to thank Dr. Sachin. It's an wonderful, marvelous program. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for your support. When coaches come, they also participate, they contribute. Gratitude for that. They all come here, they put in their time. Apart from learning, they are also contributing. Over to Purnima ji, please share. How did the coaching opportunity go for you?
Hi, I'm Purnima, practicing psychologist. First, I like to express my gratitude to the host, Deepa ma'am, and for Dr. Sachin ji to give me this wonderful opportunity. Actually, I was a participant in the TTT 11 training. I enrolled in the TTT 11. I completed with the TTT 22 batch. Actually, Dr. Sachin was the one who pushed me to complete the certification. You can see the difference. Like I started with 11 and completed with 22. Was always at the back of people, and he made us to succeed. Today also he was mentioning during the workshop, his role is to make people successful. So whoever really want to be successful, like I definitely recommend Sachin coach. Apart from that, like today, no, I attended both the session. Today's yesterday and today, both were same with different set of participants. I was wondering, like I learned many games and everything was very useful from the first session. I was wondering what to learn today. The same session is going to repeat. That too not much of gap the very next day, but a lot of learning. My perspective, the first day, my focus was only on the content. The second day, like how he, as a trainer, how he conducted, my focus was more on that. The batch was totally different. Yesterday, the batch was comparative to today's batch was more interactive. So he managed it well. Like those tools, I really learned. It was an excellent opportunity, actually, Sachin ji. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Purnima ji. Wonderful. As you come as a coach, you get to see things at a different perspective. You're not as a participant, but you're sitting behind and you're able to see how everything happens, how the back end happens, how all of that happens. So please grab as much as coaching opportunity possible. I don't think anybody does it. In India, nobody does it. And I'm very proud to say that we are so happy that we open our doors for learning. It is absolutely, let's make the world superb. come more and more for coaching opportunity. We have Amutavalli ji.
First of all, thank you so much for this opportunity, coach. Actually, without you pushing me, I have not done anything. I feel more transformation in my life. Nowadays, I am performing well. I am presenting more and more stage programs. Yesterday, I did my empowerment storytelling live program because of you only. You pushed me to do that story, 50 stories for daily wages. That makes me a better storyteller for me. Nowadays, I am making good communication in English language. Also, you push me to learn more vocabularies and push me to read books. So, thank you so much for this 2 days program. Especially, I want to tell about the games. You have teach us very powerful and purposeful game for lesson learning, for life learning. Thank you so much for this opportunity, coach. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And finally, thank you to Kannanji, who is behind the camera. He has been there, comes early, puts up. Thank you everybody. Say to Kannanana. Thank you, Kannanana. Thank you so much. Everybody, energy. Thank you, Kannanana.
Thank you, Kanan.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for keep coming. The more you come, the more participation, the more values that will come. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you, coaches. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.